Welcome! Today I am with Sony headphones and I'm going to show you how you can link Google Assistant to your custom button function. I'm talking about this button. So you have to open Sony application. When you are in the status, you have to switch to the system, and here we get the change function of custom button. So you have to tap on the settings icon and then pick the Google Assistant. Right now you got here all operation method, so when you press it one time we will get voice notification, when you press it two times we will cancel audio input, and we will continue pressing we will get audio input. And of course you have to remember that you have to activate your Google Assistant. Click done if you finish, and of course to get it work you have to go for your Google application on your smartphone. You have to go for more, find settings, go for the Google Assistant, find the general settings, and you have to enable Google Assistant and also the voice search to get it work properly. So those switchers must be turned on, and after that it will work. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.